Your immune system, you see, is your body's silent guardian, ever vigilant, working tirelessly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to protect you from those pesky viruses, bacteria, and, well, disease. But, alas, when it becomes weak, or indeed, overactive, your precious health is quite simply at risk. The immune system, you understand, is a rather complex network of cells, tissues, and organs, all diligently defending the body against harmful invaders, and, of course, aiding in healing. A weak immune system, I'm afraid, can be caused by stress, poor nutrition, a lack of sleep, alcohol, and certain medical conditions. Improving one's immunity, therefore, starts with good sleep, a balanced diet, regular exercise, proper hydration, and crucially, reducing stress. Common signs of immune problems you might find include fatigue, frequent infections, slow healing, skin issues, and digestive problems. If you find yourself falling ill too often, or taking an age to recover, your immune system, it seems, may be weaker than normal. Sometimes, you see, the immune system becomes overactive and rather tragically attacks the body itself, causing those rather troublesome autoimmune diseases. When immunity is suppressed, even the smallest of infections can become serious, and healing, well, it becomes rather slow. Stress, a poor diet, a lack of sleep, inactivity, smoking, and alcohol all, unfortunately, weaken your immune system. Your immune system, it truly responds to your daily lifestyle. Healthy habits, my dear, build strong immunity, and even small changes can make a rather big difference. Now, do remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Always, always consult a healthcare professional for proper medical advice.